In this video, I want to show you how to disable Gemini, Google Gemini, on your Samsung Galaxy A26 and A36. It's pretty annoying, so there's a few things we need to do. First thing, one thing I don't like is every time I press the power button, I get Gemini over here. This is not what I want the power menu. So drag down from the top right corner, click the cogwheel, go down, select advanced settings, advanced features, sorry, should look like this. Then select side button. And over here, select long press. And instead of digital assistant, select power off menu. This will remove Gemini from this button. But we're not done yet. Go back until you are on the main settings menu. And now we need to go into apps. So let me scroll down, select apps. And from here, I need to go down and find Gemini. Let's go right over here, Gemini. Tap on it. And if you go down, you're going to select disable. Disable app. Go back again. And now let's go into the notification menu. Okay, notification. This is in the main settings. Select lock screen notification. Select the cogwheel. And again, go over here. Try to see if Gemini is one of these options. If it's not here, that's great because we'd have disabled it, but sometimes it still appears. So just make sure that if you see Gemini, remove. Okay, turn it off. You can also check if we go back in notification pop-up style. And again, clicking over here, try to find if Gemini is still in this list. And if it is, disable it. And finally, I'm again in the main settings menu of your phone. You're going to click on the magnifying glass and you're going to type Gemini. And you're going to see Gemini settings appearing. Tap on this. And now we are in Gemini settings and we need to go over here, interrupt live response, turn this off. Then go in Hey Google and voice match and turn this off. And you can go through all these settings and just turn everything off. Okay, you may have other ones that are turned on. Gemini on lock screen. Use Gemini without unlocking. We don't want that. Turn this off. So go through all these different things that you see on your display and turn them all off. All the settings that you see are turned on. And after that, you should stop seeing Gemini everywhere and it should stop annoying you. If you found this video helpful, take a moment and comment down below. If I have forgot something, please let me know as well how to turn off Gemini from another place I forgot. But overall, this is it. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.